Hello everyone, I'm Calvin Samuel Stephen, and in today's video we are going to talk about something that powers almost every large website or application you use. That is load balancers. Whether you are using YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, or booking a cab on Uber, there's a load balancer making sure your experience is smooth and fast. So first, let's see what a load balancer is. So what is a load balancer? A load balancer is like a traffic police officer for websites. It manages the incoming user traffic and decides which server should handle which request. Instead of sending all the users to one server, which might end in crashing, it spreads the load across multiple servers to keep everything running. So for real life example, we can say, imagine you go to a popular restaurant with 100 peoples, but there are only one waiter. Chaos, right? Now imagine there are 10 waiters and each one serves 10 people. Service becomes more smooth and fast. That's what a load balancer does for the service. And why we need to use a load balancer? Using a load balancer gives your system superpowers. Like it gives you better performance, so no one server gets overloaded. It's high availability. Even if one server fails, traffic is redirected to the working one. Failover, automatic switch to backup system. Scalability, you can add more servers when traffic grows. Cost of optimization, use servers smartly to save money. Think of Amazon during those Deepavali sales. Millions of users are shopping, right? If they had just one or two servers, the whole site would crash. With the help of load balancers, they can handle massive traffic without any issues. So this is what a load balancer are. Now let's see the introduction to Azure Load Balancer. Azure Load Balancer is a Microsoft's own load balancer service. It works at layer 4 of the OSI model, which means it handles TCP and UDP traffic. It can send traffic from the internet to your Azure virtual machines or even balance traffic between your virtual machines. Imagine you are at an airport and there are several immigration counters. A smart system assigns you to the least busy counter. So that's how Azure load balancer works. So there are different types of load balancers. They are public and private, that is internal load balancer. First, the public load balancer is used when you want users from internet to access your application. Example, a company website or e-commerce platform. Internal load balancer or private load balancer. It's used for services that are not exposed to the public. Example, an internal payroll app used only by your company's HR team. Let's say, for example, a hospital may have a public website for appointment bookings, that is public LB, that is public load balancer. But the internal systems like patient records would use an internal load balancer. Now we will see the difference between the basic and the standard load balancer in Azure. The basic, it's for small scale use and it has limited features. The standard, it's recommended for production and offers zone redundancy, diagnostics, and higher scalability. Think of basic as a regular bike for short rides and standard as a high performance bike for long trips and heavy use. Now we'll see the benefits of Azure Load Balancer. We have high availability, that is the uptime is critical, and auto reconfiguration, it adapts to changes and failures. Diagnostics and monitoring integrated with Azure Monitor, and it's cost effective. Basic version is free, and it supports hybrid environment. Works with on-premises plus cloud environment. If one of your virtual machine crashes at 2 a.m., let's say, Azure Load Balancer won't let your users feel it. It automatically shifts the traffic to the LTE service. A common use for these load balancers are web application. Example, balancing traffic on a travel website during a holiday season. Disaster recovery. If the primary data center goes down, users are routed to the backup. Internal services like HR tools, CRM systems for employees inside a company, and microservices architecture. Shopping app where the cart payments and user profile are different. Microservices all are balanced separately. So that's all for today, and I hope so we have covered the basic idea of what a load balancer is and what Azure Load Balancer is, and their basic function and their uses. I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and thank you all.